BlackBull Markets is a large Forex broker and trading firm. The broker enables multiple trading solutions as a financial services provider with proprietary software to aggregate powerful trading performance along with competitive pricing. BlackBull Markets has low Forex and CFD fees. BlackBull Markets provides 3 ECN account types that are standard, prime, and institutional. BlackBull Markets also provides a swap-free/Islamic account that operates in full compliance with Sharia Law. The account opening process at BlackBull Markets is fully digital, user-friendly, and fast. Usually, account have approved within a day. At BlackBull Markets, the required minimum deposit is $2,000 for prime accounts and $0 for standard accounts. At BlackBull Markets, you can choose the most suitable option according to your trading style, either with all costs included into spread, more suitable for beginning or regular-sized traders through ECN standard account with spreads from 0.8 pips. While active or professionals traders will better use ECN Prime account with raw spreads from 0.1 pips and a commission charge $6 per trade. Another important point within our BlackBull Markets review is offered leverage levels. Usually, maximum leverage defined by the instrument you trade, also the type of trader you are, either professional or retail trader, and lastly is restricted according to the regulatory requirements broker obliges to. Good news with BlackBull Markets, you are able to use high leverage levels up to 1:500 available for both retail or professional traders. International traders entitled for 1:500 likewise through the Seychelles entity. The web trading platform at BlackBull Markets, provided by MetaTrader, is highly customizable and has a clear fee report. BlackBull Markets has a great mobile trading platform, provided by MetaTrader 4. It's well designed and user-friendly with good search functions. BlackBull Markets brings exposure to various markets available around the globe and including over 64 currency pairs, Forex, indices, metals, commodities, energies, crypto CFDs, etc. This range is a quite good one, as it includes popular trading instruments to diversify your portfolio, especially considering good cost strategy and inbuilt proposal, which we will see further in our BlackBull Markets review. BlackBull Markets offers great educational tools in the form of educational videos, quality educational texts, trading platform tutorials, and a demo account. Traders may deposit into their BlackBull Markets trading accounts via bank wires, credit debit cards, Skrill, Nettler, China Union Pay, and FasaPay. BlackBull also allows deposits to be made in the following cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, Tether, Stellar, Ripple, Chainlink, USD Coin. BlackBull Markets deposit and withdrawal services are great. Several base currencies are available, there are numerous options for moving your money, and there is no deposit fee. However, the broker charges a fee on withdrawals. BlackBull Markets has great phone, email, and live chat support. Customer support are available 24/7. Low Forex and CFD fees are the most important arguments in favor of BlackBull Markets. Furthermore, the account opening is seamless and educational tools are great. Our account was ready within a business day, while the educational tools include videos, texts, and a demo account. As the account opening is seamless and trading fees are low, feel free to give BlackBull Markets a try.